You've got me.
It's a tram.
I know it's a tram.
It says City Tram on it.
Yep, it does say.
It's got a picture of Flinders Street Station on it.
Don't do that with an Asian accent.
Which bit?
Shitty tram.
Oh, that bit.
No, it's not. It's not shitty. It's city.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, city tram.
It's just roaming around.
What about the paint colours? What can you tell me? What delivery?
Well, I don't remember this livery, but apparently Finn was outside and he saw that. So apparently they're the current tram colours that are driving around on the older trams, which would have come out in the 70s, this particular shape.
Oh, there you go.
But these are a new thing. I've got a feeling that these are these pullback?
Pullback? What do you mean pullback? Pullback tram?
Pull it back and it drives, doesn't it?
I don't know. You
don't say so. Sorry. I don't know. I'm just looking at it.
You're just making it up.
This probably does a pushy.
So what? Pushy. It's not a pullback. It's a pushy.
No, it's a pushy.
There you go. So why'd you bring that in?
Because it's new.
Oh.
We haven't had these around. And they make a lot of sense for us because our shop is just down here.
And the tourists love it.
That's right.
Don't they?
That's
you
right.
can nearly see you in there. You're just past here. There you are. Look, just down there.
Oh, the shiny bit.
Yeah, just about.
Yep. Oh no, what scale do you reckon that is? It's almost like HO, isn't it?
I would say. I'm not sure how. It doesn't have it on the thing. I don't know.
But yeah, if you're into a tram.
If you like tram, we like Melbourne.
So for a stocking filler, perfect.
Who's stocking?
Anyone's stocking. Sanders stocking.